Welcome to my channel. Motorola MG7550. 1. Connecting the coaxial cable. First, connect the coaxial cable from your wall outlet to the cable in port on the modem. 2. Plugging in the power adapter. Next, plug the power adapter into the modem and an electrical outlet. Wait a few minutes for the modem to power up. 3. Connecting your computer. Connect an Ethernet cable from one of the LAN ports on the modem to your computer. Four. Connecting wirelessly. Alternatively, connect wirelessly using the default SSID and password found on the modem. 5. Accessing the web interface. Open your web browser and go to 192.168.100.1 to access the modem settings. 6. Configuring wireless settings. Here, you can set up your Wi-Fi network by adjusting the SSID and password. 7. Saving changes. Don't forget to save your changes and restart the modem if needed. 8. Testing your connection. Test your connection by opening a web browser. Make sure you're online. Thank you for watching.